Embark on a culinary journey with the HOMBERKING 36oz glass lunch containers. 8-pack. A collection of kitchen essentials that promises to revolutionize your food storage experience. Each container, a crystalline fortress, stands ready to guard your culinary creations. A testament to both durability and design. The leak-proof snap-lock lids, like loyal sentinels, form an airtight seal, ensuring that flavors remain vibrant and spills are but a distant memory. This 8-pack set is a veritable treasure chest, offering an abundance of space for meal prepping, leftovers, and everything in between. Furthermore, the high-quality borosilicate glass is a champion of versatility, transitioning effortlessly from the freezer's icy grip to the oven's fiery embrace. So you can cook, store, and reheat with unparalleled ease. Additionally, the containers are a breeze to clean, as they are completely dishwasher safe, thus freeing you from the drudgery of hand washing. The HOMBERKING 36oz glass lunch containers, 8-pack, are more than just storage. They are an investment in a more organized and sustainable lifestyle. In fact, these containers serve as a canvas for your culinary artistry, allowing you to showcase colorful salads, hearty stews, and delicate desserts with elegant clarity. Indeed, they transform your refrigerator into a gallery of gastronomic delights. Moreover, the secure snap-lock lids are a marvel of engineering, creating a vacuum seal that keeps food fresh for extended periods, almost as if time itself has been paused. Consequently, you can prepare meals for the entire week and rest assured that they will taste just as delicious on Friday as they did on Monday. Simultaneously, by choosing these reusable glass containers, you are actively participating in a global movement toward reducing waste and embracing a greener future. Therefore, you are not only organizing your kitchen but also contributing to a healthier planet. And that is a truly wonderful thing. The HOMBERKING 36oz glass lunch containers, 8-pack, stand as a paragon of form and function, a seamless blend of practicality and elegance. Ultimately, they are a dependable companion for anyone who values freshness, convenience, and style. On the other hand, their sleek design ensures they look just as good on your office desk as they do in your home kitchen. Comparatively, other containers may fail to deliver on their promises, but these glass bento boxes are a beacon of reliability and performance. Beyond that, the generous 36oz capacity means you will never have to compromise on portion size, ensuring you can pack a satisfying and wholesome meal every time. As a result, you can say goodbye to soggy lunches and hello to a new era of fresh, delicious, and perfectly preserved meals. Finally, with this remarkable set, your food storage woes will become a thing of the past, and your culinary adventures will only just begin. Pros: sturdy, high-quality glass, lids seal tightly without leaking, perfect for storing leftovers, great for meal prepping, easy to clean, safe for microwave and freezer, durable, stack neatly, good mix of sizes, dishwasher safe, great value, feels high quality, lids don't warp. Cons: wished containers were bigger, not a bigger one too, plastic rubberized seal features. 8-pack 36oz capacity, glass material, leak-proof snap-lock lids, airtight, bento lunch box style, oven safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, kitchen storage. Use the HOMBERKING 8-pack of 36oz glass meal prep containers as a versatile food storage solution. These containers feature leak-proof, airtight snap-lock lids. They are designed in a bento box style. The containers are safe for use in the oven, freezer, and dishwasher. They are suitable for various kitchen storage needs. The HOMBERKING 8-pack of 36oz glass meal prep containers is a great value for high-quality, durable food storage. They are made of sturdy glass that is safe for the microwave, oven, and freezer. The lids have a leak-proof snap lock system with a rubberized seal, ensuring an airtight closure that won't warp. These containers are ideal for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and packing lunches. They are also easy to clean and stack neatly for convenient storage. While some users wish for a larger size, the set is highly praised for its quality and value.